This design blends vectors and soft cosmic textures. Start with a dark backdrop. Create abstract vector shapes resembling cosmic shards using the pen tool. Keep edges sharp. Add a high-resolution nebula texture beneath the vectors, clipping it inside each shard. This creates glowing cosmic fragments. Apply a soft outer glow to enhance luminosity. Add atmospheric haze using a large, low-opacity brush around the composition. For text, choose sleek futuristic fonts with wide spacing. Introduce faint star particles by scattering tiny white dots across the background. The combination of clean vector geometry and organic nebula softness produces a captivating sci-fi poster ideal for events or album covers.